names are Maman Mohammed Helma. I'm from Kofa. I'm working with Plan International as volunteer teacher. Every morning is an exciting new day for me because I get to see the faces of beautiful children who cannot get their education without me. I use my tricycle to carry my colleagues because the place is quite far. It is worth the stress because when we come in to teach the learners, we get excited. Many of the children have never go to school. In fact, some of them, none of them has go to school in their family.
Tunda aka haife ni ban taɓa makaranta ba har na zo nan, amma ina da niyya.
Ban taɓa sanin makaranta ba, karatu ma ban san me ne yaushe ba. Mu a gidanmu ba wanda ya makaranta.
The mobile education approach by Plan takes education in motion, education that is not fixed in a particular place, to places that are hard to access, where children converge or come together to learn and then interact with their peers.
Da na zo nan Plan sun sani a makaranta, yanzu na iya karatu, na iya ABCD.
The mobile education project is also aimed at not only teaching academics, it also caters for the psychosocial support that children who have been traumatized get, so that as they come to school, maybe worried or troubled, they go back happy.